Your Honda Fit or HRV Smart Key Fob uses a CR2032 battery, typically lasting 1 to 2 years. Weak fob signal or failure to start the car are common signs of a depleted battery. You'll need a new CR2032 battery and a small flathead screwdriver or plastic pry tool. Remember to ground yourself to avoid static discharge, which can damage the fob's electronics. First, eject the metal keyblade if your fob has one. Carefully pry open the fob casing using the screwdriver or plastic tool, avoiding metal tools to prevent scratches. Remove the old CR2032 battery, noting the positive side's orientation plus side up. Insert the new battery with the positive side facing up. Snap the fob casing back together securely. Test the fob to ensure it works. If issues persist, consult your Honda owner's manual for potential reprogramming steps or visit a dealer. Using quality batteries like Panasonic is recommended to avoid corrosion and extend lifespan.